Tom, do you ever wonder if there are parallel universes?
No.
Meanwhile, in a parallel universe where cloning is legal.
Want to practice kissing? Yep.
Meanwhile, in a parallel universe where people occasionally mistake their hand for a bear.
Oh, it's a bear! It's a bear!
Meanwhile, in a parallel universe where books are hot. Meanwhile, in a parallel universe where women are always on fire.
Calm down, calm down, calm down. Yep, she's dead.
Meanwhile, in a parallel universe where watches don't exist.
Hey, what's the time?
Time you gotta watch.
What the hell's a watch?
I don't know!
Meanwhile, in a parallel universe where everything is dubbed in Polish.
Bananowy zad jest najlepszym kucykiem, okej? Kłamiesz. Mam strusie stopy.
Meanwhile, in a parallel universe where thinking about breasts makes your head heavy. Meanwhile, in a parallel universe where thinking about breasts makes your head float.
Help! I'm stuck on this here.
Meanwhile, in a parallel universe where dinosaurs are still alive, but are also invisible.
Is there a dinosaur in here?
I don't know, but that's entirely possible.
Meanwhile, in a parallel universe where sitting is gross.
I'm so sorry! I'm so...
Meanwhile, in a parallel universe where kitchen appliances create wormholes.
Look, I got a new blender!
Meanwhile, in our universe.
Told you there were parallel universes.
Want to practice kissing? Yeah!
I love you.